What is going on YouTube? It's J-Doss and we're back for yet another video, and today, yes, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of Versace men's trunk underwear. Now, for me, I've been wearing briefs. I've been a fan of briefs for like an extremely long time. No, not like the tighty whitey traditional like old man cut, but no, not the long like boxer. It's kind of like I think they're called like boxer briefs. Now, just a quick little backstory. I've been a huge fan of boxer briefs since the beginning of time. Having an athletic background, like having that additional support, your day-to-day, not only are they functional and comfortable and sleek, but a lot of them now are very fashionable. And so now what we have is a pair of just men's black Versace stretch cotton trunk underwear. And originally, like looking at the box, like, you know, the box is cool, just a traditional cardboard box with like Versace like logos and everything on it. My only downside is like the back of the box, like the motto. I could have lived without it. I mean, it's a little sus, but that's neither here nor there. Yeah, so these, I'm a US men's 30 in the waist, and so these are a size 3, right? And so my initial review on these is like, first is the quality. Like the cotton is very like soft. Everything is like double stitched, which is good. I mean, that lets me know that's gonna last. And then the elastic here in the waistband is like very sturdy and secure. You can tell like they pay very close attention to detail and everything when they made these. And then looking at the tag here, you see like the Versace branding, the Medusa head here, another QR code. Versace made in Italy on the tag, size 3. Yeah, and then like this black and gold trim is really like, it's really setting it off for me. Like it's summertime, you know, we finna be out at a lot of like outdoor functions, let's just say that, to say the least. Yeah, I don't plan on wearing no shirt this entire summer, so y'all just be ready for that. But yeah, for real though, like overall, like the quality is good. The Medusa head in the middle. And then the size, like I went with this size because they have 3 sizes in these, where it's like a really like long, and then there's like an extreme short, but these are like the size and the length that's right in the middle. So perfect for when I have on like my swim shorts, or perfect for when I have on like my gym shorts or sweatpants. Surprisingly, like these actually smell like these actually like smell like a Versace cologne. Like if you've ever been familiar with like any of the Versace men's colognes, like it actually has like a brief hit of that in it. And like, to be honest with you, most people will probably be like, why would you waste your money, or why would you spend money on like designer underwear? And quite frankly, because I can't. To be honest with you, like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's still a pair of underwear, regardless of if they're Fruit of the Loom, Hanes, Versace, Gucci, Burberry, whatever. Simply put, like, I like nice things and I want nice things. I desire nice things, so I work hard. So I go out and purchase nice things for myself. What I'll do is I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description where you guys can purchase these. But you can get them from any major like retail store, like Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom's, depending on your area and everything, or you can go directly through the Versace website. But yeah, overall, like, I'm impressed. I think this will be the first of many. They had these available in like different colors, like white, gray, blue, red, whatever. And just looking at the overall quality of these, I can definitely say that I will be purchasing more of these in the near future. If y'all made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate everybody for tuning in, and all of my subscribers, my day ones, man, I appreciate y'all for real, to the bottom of my heart. If you stayed to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell, turn on those post notifications. I mean, what you guys can expect from this channel is just like unboxing videos, vlogs, skits, day-to-day, day in the life, me trying new things, like content-wise. Like, it's all over the place, so you don't know what to expect. So that's why I need y'all to subscribe. So just stay tuned, because I'm pretty sure you're going to come across some type of video or some content that you like, right? So spread the word, share it, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is down below. It's @JDouse. Like, let's interact, let's engage, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's make this social media thing. Let's get back to making it fun. You know, no drama, it's just all fun. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm out of here.